Come back again to my SAT past paper class. Let's solve this question together. It says a rectangle is inscribed in a circle such that each vertex of the rectangle lies on the circumference of the circle. The diagonal of the rectangle is twice the length of the short side of that rectangle, and the area of this rectangle is 1089 root 3 square units. What is the length in units of the diameter of the circle? So we have a circle and it has a rectangle inscribed in it. Then it has a diagonal, right? We call the length of the diagonal 2x, the length of the short side x. So the other side of the rectangle, let's call that y. So the general Pythagoras rule is a square is equal to b square plus c square, where a square is the hypotenuse. So substituting, I will have 2x square is equal to x square plus y square. So to find my y square would be 2x square, which is 4x square minus x square. So therefore, y square will be equal 3x square. So I'm going to find the square root of both sides. That will leave my y to be root 3x. Now remember they say that the area of this rectangle is 1089 root 3. So the formula to find the area of a rectangle is length times breadth. So we now have it to be area is equal to x times 3 root 3x. So this will give me that the area is equal to root 3x square. So we have gotten root 3x square, and we are going to equate it to what we have here. I'm going to have root 3x square is equal to 1089 over root 3. I'll divide both sides by the coefficient of x square, which is root 3, and here is root 3, and I'm left with x square is equal 1089. Then I'll find the square root of both sides, which will leave x to be equal 33. But the question says we should find the diameter of the circle. Now the diagonal of this rectangle is equal to the diameter of this circle. So therefore, diagonal is equal diameter, which is 2x, and that is equal 2 times 33, which will leave our answer to be 66 units.